Let's assume that the price of one of our items has changed. To do this, we can download the underlying workbook by pressing the green Download Excel Model button next to the application name on the control panel. Let's say the price of item 1 has changed from $363 to $500. After making our changes and saving the workbook, we can re-upload it starting a new transaction. And then going into the Edit Application page in the Designer. Now we need to select our file and press Update. Some changes might also require you to add or remove certain controls from the User Interface Designer, but this won't be necessary in our example. After uploading the file, publishing the application will finalize our transaction and make our changes go live. Anyone accessing the application after this point will be working on the latest data.